You already know me, but you don't know my friend. His name is Federico and he's an engineer. Every time you pay the bill, you get so many coins in Italy, just pay with a card. We are here, we are at the destination close to the mountain. Here we have to take three main things. So we have to grab the food, we have to grab the car, and what else? And we have to grab the motorcycle. That is the tool you need to cut wood. This is very important. We are just going to have dinner and to enjoy, that's it. But we are doing this kind of vlog because we are planning to go for a very nice, the best road trip ever. So this video is like a trial. We have to see how good it can be.
I'm not able to speak with the camera because I'm not an actor. I am an engineer, and I don't like to put my face in a camera.
But you know guys, we don't give a fuck he's an engineer. We're just going to have fun, to go fast, and that's it for the moment. That's my baby. It's waiting for us. Yoo-hoo. We are ready to leave. We're ready to go. We got food, we got wood, we got chainsaw, electric chainsaw. Ready?
Ready, go.
Okay, you drive. Let's go. Guys, this is the first time for my friend riding a 4WD. So you shift gears and we'll teach him how to use it. We made it. This is our spot for the night. So this is Water and Soap. It's a very famous
Chain
shop where you go to buy condom.
It's not famous for the condom. Not like Bear Grylls, because we have the light fire of last generation. We have the paper of Acqua Sapone. But
so guys, I could say we got a pretty nice start. This is our fire. This is the Flashman. Yeah, yeah, come on guys. This is how it looks like. I think the bread is burned.
I think yes.
This ready. We got this delicious meat, tomato for bread and cheese, and we got this sick consider.
Now
Yeah.
stop talking and
Start eating with aperture light. Come on, have a look. Thank you, aperture. And one more is here, giving light to the fire. So we got an aperture light with small rig, arm. We are back on the road. Just going back to Rome after our dinner. It's time to go back to the city and say goodbye to the mountain. See ya!